Hello students, I am your mathematics teacher Chirag Tanna. So in this video we will start with the chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry, that is of standard 10 maths. So trigonometry in standard 10 we are applying to only right angle triangles. So here we have one right angle triangle, right angled at B. Suppose the measure of the angle A is theta. Okay, theta is the Greek letter actually. So theta is the measurement, that 30 degree, 45 degree, 20 degree, anything. Okay, so suppose angle A is the theta. Now in right angle triangle, as you know, opposite to right angle side is the hypotenuse. Okay. Now, see, this is your theta. So for this theta, that is the opposite side. BC is the opposite side, and this AB is the adjacent side. Okay, for this theta. If you are taking theta here, you can also take. Then this will be the opposite and this will be the adjacent side. This is always your hypotenuse. So now from this figure we will see trigonometric ratios. There are total 6 trigonometric ratios that you can see here. Okay. They are sine, actually it is SINE, sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant and cotangent. But here we are writing the short form only. Okay, you have to write in your whole textbook, in your whole chapter, you have to write only the short forms. So that's why sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. First of all, what is sin theta? Sin theta is always opposite by hypotenuse. See here, what is opposite? That is BC, and hypotenuse AC. So simply you have to write the measurements of BC and AC here. Similarly the second one, cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. See what is adjacent here? That is AB, hypotenuse AC. Moving to the next, tan theta. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So opposite by adjacent, that is BC by AB. Cosec theta. So cosec theta is actually the inverse of the sin theta. See, it is hypotenuse by opposite. Sin theta was opposite by hypotenuse, it is hypotenuse by opposite. So it will become AC by BC. It will become AC by BC. Similarly, sec theta is the inverse of cos theta. Okay, here adjacent by hypotenuse and here hypotenuse by adjacent. So sec theta will become AC by AB. It will become AC by AB. And the last one, cot theta. So cot theta is the inverse of the tan theta. Okay, so it will become AD by BC. Okay, so these are your 6 trigonometric ratios. So as I told you, some notes, some important information you have to remember. First you have to remember these old ratios, and then keep in mind that sin theta is equals to 1 upon cosec theta. Okay, as we have seen here, sin and cosec are inverse of each other. That's why sin theta equals to 1 upon cosec theta. Also you can say cosec theta equals to 1 by sin theta. That is also valid. So ultimately here cosec theta here, so sin theta into cosec theta equals to, we can say 1. Similarly, the cos theta is 1 upon sec theta. From this information we have already seen. So sec into cos theta, that is equals to 1, and then tan theta equals to 1 by cot theta. So tan theta into cot theta equals to 1. So these three notes first you have to remember. And then the tan theta. Tan theta is actually sin theta by cos theta. See here. Sin theta opposite by hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse. If you take ratio of these two, hypotenuse cancel out, opposite by adjacent. So that is your tan theta. See, opposite by adjacent is your tan theta. So tan theta is what? Ratio of sin theta upon cos theta. Tan theta is the ratio of sin theta by cos theta. So here it is, tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. Then what is cot theta? So cot theta is inverse of this. As you know, tan and cot are inverse. See. So what is cot theta? That is cos theta by sin theta, inverse of this, cos theta by sin theta. See, there are also many things you can write, okay, but these are the important things you can say. Okay, I can also say that tan theta equals to sec by cosec. See, sec by cosec. Okay, you can check it. Okay, it will become again tan theta opposite by adjacent. Okay, but that is not that much important. Okay, these all things are the important things. Okay, so in the next video we will solve the numericals regarding this whole information. Thank you.